Alright folks, today's the day. We're unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think it's like a Swiss Army knife of all the cameras. Alright, here's what we got. The Osmo Pocket 3 itself. Look at this little guy. It's tiny. But don't let that fool you, because it's got a 1-inch sensor, a flipping screen, and promises buttery smooth stabilization. So with the DJI Pocket 3 creators kit, you get all these in it, so it's well worth it because each one of these is a couple of $100 itself. With $669 USD, it's well worth it to get it all together. I think just the mic itself is like 150 to 200 US. Here's a touchscreen. Let's open it up. It's OLED screen. Wow, it's amazing. Now check out this gimbal. 3-axis stabilizer, so even if you're walking or jogging, this footage should come out really smooth. So be gentle with the gimbal, folks. This thing is fragile as your New Year's resolution. It's really fragile. So, okay, I'm gonna walk through the accessories that come with the creator combo. Let's check out the extra goodies over here. First up, we got this mic. Trust me when I say this is one of the best mics in this price range. It's wireless, easy to pair, and it's perfect for those of us who don't want to shout in public. Make sure to use the windscreen attachment if you're outside, unless you want your audio to sound like a tornado. Here's the mini tripod. It's simple, but it's pretty sturdy. There we go. First, we got the set the language. Most of the controls are on the right hand, the touch screen. Videos, photos, slow motion, time lapse, everything's right here. Right here, see, photo, panorama. All right, so we've got the Pocket 3 out of the box. And man, this thing is tiny. You can see it right here. It's ridiculously small for what it promises to deliver, but it's not exactly pocket size. If you got tight jeans, this thing's not gonna fit in your pocket. So I don't know what they keep saying pocket. This is like a jacket pocket type of camera. This is the gimbal screen. Look at this gimbal. It's supposed to make your footage really smooth, even if you're jogging or walking. But here's the thing. This gimbal looks and feels fragile. You drop it once, boom, you're done. So you're gonna be calling customer support. If you're like me and a little accident prone, then keep that in mind. Oh, and the screen is small, but honestly, if you're used to shooting on a phone or a camera, then you gotta have to adjust. So let's go through the camera here. Yeah, if you got big fingers like me, then it's gonna be hard to navigate through the camera, but you get used to it. Okay, so it's got that 1-inch sensor that we all talk about. That's what really sets it apart from competitors. It's a big deal for low light performance, and it gives you that cinematic video, and it'll give that nice blurry background shots. That's great, but don't expect miracle, guys. It's better than a smartphone. It's not gonna outshine your DSLR camera. Let's talk about one thing that's bugging. There's no optical zoom. It's all digital. When you zoom in, you're basically just cropping the image. The quality drops. If you want a detailed image like me, then it's not gonna be fly. So you're better off just shooting and cropping later. I got a creator combo. So we got this wireless mic, way better than a built-in mic. It connects right away. It's very handy. It's one of the best out there, actually. It's still a bit of a chore if you keep adding all the accessories all together, but right here, boom. It's not really pocket friendly, this thing. Keep saying pocket, but it's not. You got all this stuff to keep inside your pocket. There's no way. DJI keeps luring you in to buy stuff. I'm a sucker for DJI. So how's the footage, guys? Honestly, I know it's good. It's gonna be good. For something so small, the 4K 60 is gonna be smooth, especially with this gimbal working its magic. Just look at that, chicken head, big time. You're gonna have a really good shot. I know you guys are used to your phone cameras, but this is completely camera. It's gonna do a really good job. The only thing is, in low light, you're gonna struggle. It's gonna be way better than GoPro and a phone, but shots are still gonna be grainy if it's, you know, really dark out there. So you gotta have to lower your exposure, but don't expect perfect footage if you lower the exposures. And here's the thing I didn't expect, the battery. No removable battery, so you're stuck charging it when it runs out. If you're out vlogging all day, then you're gonna have to keep your power bank and the USB Type-C right here. It's a compact device, but at this price point, then I was hoping some flexibility, but you know, it is what it is. This thing's over $669 USD with this creative combo. So is it worth it? Depends. If you're casual user, then maybe not. You're better off with a smartphone gimbal or something simpler. But if you're serious about vlogging and need something portable with smooth video, then this could be the, you know, new best friend. It's definitely got that strong points, like that gimbal could be better than the phone quality actually. Just know that you're making some compromises along the way. Overall, I like it. but it's not perfect. It's not going to replace a bigger camera setup, but it is a killer option for creators who want something lightweight and quick just to get out there and quickly shoot. If you're on the move, then it's hard to beat this little guy. But if you're hoping to be more serious cinematic stuff, I'd say save up for something more powerful and durable for sure. Alright, let's talk pros and cons, guys. Because no gadget is perfect. Even if it looks sleek as the Osmo Pocket 3, it's gonna have some issues. So let's start with the good stuff first. The pros. Super portable. This thing fits in your pocket. Most pockets, I mean. It's ideal for vlogging on the go without having to deal with that DSLR camera that you hang around. With that 3-axis gimbal, you're gonna get smooth shots even if you're walking or moving quickly. No more shaky camera footage like you've had too much coffee. The 180 sensor is a game changer for me. Better cinematic footage, and it makes your footage look so professional. The wireless mic is a huge win for vloggers. No need to shout to be heard, and the sound quality is seriously impressive. So now talk about the cons. This gimbal is very fragile. So if you drop it, you're gonna be crying over the stabilizer. And it's got no swappable battery. So for all day vlogging, you're gonna have to carry a power bank and keep it charged up with this USB Type-C. There's limited digital zoom on this, so digital zoom is kind of useless. It just crops the images and reduces the quality, so you're better off skipping that entirely. By the way, this is not weatherproof, so if you're planning to film in the rain, you're out of luck. So there you have it, guys. Pocket-sized powerhouse with a few trade-offs. Whether those cons are deal breakers depends on how you plan to use it, but overall, the DJI Pocket 3 is a pretty solid pick for vloggers and creators who want quality without the bulk. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see how this little gadget holds up in real world testing next, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys.